Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Riders Republic on PC. First, open the Epic Games Store or Ubisoft Connect and search for Riders Republic, then choose your preferred edition and click Purchase or Install. Next, confirm system requirements and allocate at least 20 GB of free storage before downloading. Finally, follow any account linking prompts, update graphics drivers if needed, and launch the game to complete setup. When buying Riders Republic on PC, think about which edition fits your goals and budget. Check both Epic Games Store and Ubisoft Connect for price differences and exclusive items. If you want early access or seasonal DLC, a deluxe edition might be worthwhile, otherwise the base game is fine. Use a trusted payment method, verify regional costs, and remember refunds depend on platform policies, so keep that in mind before finalizing your order. If you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and hit like to support more content. Quick recommendation: grab the Simple Path to Wealth if you want simple, effective money advice that pairs nicely with budgeting for games. It's an easy read that can change how you prioritize purchases and save for gaming gear, which makes it worth a look. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After purchase, install the required launcher and log into your account to begin downloading Riders Republic. Choose an install location with at least 20 GB free and monitor download progress in the launcher. If you experience slow speeds, pause other network activity and consider a wired connection. Once download finishes, allow the launcher to apply updates and verify game files if needed, then click play to launch and enjoy your first run in the playground.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.